Hi guys, it's Lauren Folks Adams, and today we are talking about how important it is to not cancel your cleanings when you go on vacation. So one thing people always forget about is you're still running your air conditioner. Sometimes you leave your pets at home and you have people come over and let them out and feed them and things along those lines. And so what we try and explain to the customer is by running the air conditioner, by having your pets still at home, even if you board your pets, you're still creating dust in your home. So whenever we skip a visit and then we come the next time, the cleaner is having to double work because we didn't clean a week ago or we didn't clean 2 weeks ago. And what I mean by double working is we have a standard at Guarantee Maid Services that we uphold on every cleaning that we go to, and we want our cleanings to meet that standard. And sometimes with the cleanings being skipped, we can't meet that standard. So we're having to spend a little bit extra time, and maybe instead of using a duster with polish to do your blinds, we're now having to hand wipe them because of the dust buildup. And we want to make sure we can reach that standard, like I said. So it makes it a little bit difficult to do our normal routine clean when the dust buildup is more than what it normally is whenever we come. So we do suggest to our customers to definitely keep your cleanings. One thing that we do offer is additional services at no charge. So a lot of customers feel, oh, I don't need my house cleaned while I'm at the beach because no one's there. My house isn't going to get dirty. Well, like I said, the dust is still building up, but we want to make it to where you feel you're still getting your money's worth. Even though no one's there and we're not having to clean toothpaste off the sink or anything along those lines, we're still dusting everything. We do what we call a freshen up. So it's dusting, it's doing your floors, it's possibly making the beds if you didn't make them before you left for your vacation. And then what we'll do is we'll clean your oven, or maybe we will polish your silverware, or we have one customer that asked us to clean their interior windows. So we have a list of items that we offer to our customers whenever they're going on vacation, but they still keep their services because, like we said, we want you to feel like you're getting your money's worth, that we're giving you everything that you signed up for. We never want a customer to feel like they're not getting what they paid for. I know myself, I would never want that going to any other business, right? So we treat you just like family, and we want you to feel like you're getting what you're paying for. Call today to find out how we give you quality cleaning at reasonable rates. Like us on Facebook and get a quote at guaranteemaidservices.com. Let us give you your weekends back.